My name is Chelsea. I love this toy. Thanks Barbie house for this toy. Wow. I'm so excited to play here, but I'm waiting for my friend Annie. Yes. She's come. Hey Chelsea. Hey Annie. What's up? I'm fine. I'm waiting for you. Now come fast and play. Wait, I'll help you. You like it? Yes, very much. Okay, then enjoy it. I joined you, it looks fun. Wow, I want to go down the slide. Be careful. I hope you enjoy it. Yes. Let's go home. It's too late. Bye guys.